Oh yes, you guys got to check this product out. You're gonna love this product. Let's take a look. What is up guys, it is your boy Serge. So today we're gonna find out what makes a good webcam. We're gonna specifically review the TENVIS TW888 Webcam. And we're gonna find out, is this webcam worth it? We'll start with an unboxing and then we're gonna analyze the competitors and find out, is this a good webcam? All right, let's get into the review. TENVIS has a very minimalist unboxing approach. There are these cool circuit-like designs all over the box. I think the camera decal itself also looks kind of cool and is very interesting. On the side we have our UPC and customer service information. TENVIS stands by their products. If you need help, they're here for you. Call or email with support questions. This particular model is the TW888 variant. Let's look inside and examine the hardware. Then we'll plug it in and see how well it works. They were very nice to include a stand with variable leg adjustments. This allows you to set up your TENVIS camera on a flat surface, and it ensures it's being aimed properly. This is a neat little addition. I can appreciate it. It must also mean that there is a tripod screw hole on the webcam, so in theory you could mount the webcam on any tripod, which is nice. These legs have nice rubberized feet to keep your webcam planted, and adjustable metal legs. This mini tripod could also be used to mount your phone or other devices that use this type of screw head. This allows for better expandability of the included accessory, meaning it's not just proprietary to the webcam. It can be used in many different ways. Inside we have a quick start guide. It shows you the features of your webcam and how to set it up, and what to do if your webcam is not working. Keep in mind, it does not come with any software. Although most recording software is readily available and is free, if you need help finding some software, leave a comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to help out. And there you have it, the TENVIS TW888 webcam. I like its look. It's simple and not very flashy. It also doesn't have any annoying LEDs when you plug it in. There is, however, a very light, muted orange LED that does come on, but it doesn't glare at you, which is nice. It comes with a fairly long USB cord, about 4.5 feet in length. It's also plug-and-play functionality, meaning it doesn't need any driver installation on your end. It finds and installs the drivers automatically by interfacing with pre-existing software. Just plug it in and it works. There is a clip mounted to the webcam and it allows for precise adjustments. Its camera is on a fluid tilt head, allowing you to rotate and adjust the angle for even more precision. The clip has a rubberized surface for grip. This gives it more stability. They put a lot of thought into this clip and wanted the user to be able to properly control and adjust their camera's position and angle. These are excellent features. Thank you, TENVIS. If you decide not to use the clip, it folds away and you don't need to worry about it any longer. Once it's folded away, you can put it on a flat surface and aim it any direction you want. Alright, let's connect the tripod to the webcam. Really, you want to use the tripod if you're not planning on using the clip to attach to the monitor. In this case, the clip acts as an additional way to control the direction of the head when recording. A very nice touch indeed. Alright. So the webcam is mounted to the top parts of my monitor. As you can see, it's very stable. And it is actually substantially better. You could see a lot more here. And it's more detailed, it's got better lighting. This is vastly superior than the one that's built in. Now we got the integrated one. As you can see, colors aren't as good. It's a little hazy. You don't get the same level of detail. I think the integrated one on this laptop is 720p, but this TENVIS camera is 1080p, so it's definitely sharper. It's got better colors. Yeah, it looks like it's doing much better.
Here's the integrated camera on the Alienware Area M R2, and it's only 720p, which is a shame, and you do see a lot more graininess in the footage. It's still usable, but it's not very good. Alright, here's the 1080p TENVIS camera. We're testing the audio and the video, and as you can see, the lighting is better. There's less graininess to it, which means it's able to take in more light. So this is definitely substantially better camera, I would say, in my opinion.
It's pretty clear that the image on the right is definitely sharper and has better lighting. The image on the left, that's the integrated webcam, and it's not very good. It's definitely a clear choice. Definitely get yourself a dedicated webcam. And if you can, check out this TENVIS webcam because it is quite good. Alright, so what do I really think about this device? Well, it has really good features for a very low price. You can't go wrong with that. And it's a no-nonsense design. A lot of the North American design webcams, they're just buggy, they're too bulky, they're ugly, and they don't have the same level of versatility. That's one reason why I like this TENVIS webcam. If you look at it, it has an oscillating head, which is extremely useful. So if you want to get just the right angle, everything is perfect. It has the clip, which is, again, very practical. And you can even mount it on a tripod. These are all very, very good mounting features. It does have a wide field of view, which is very useful when recording, doing any kind of webcam chat. So if you guys like to do the webcam chats, this is a great little device for you guys. The audio quality is decent and the video quality is 1080p, so you're really not looking at any compromises here. It does have pretty good plug and play functionality, so when you need to, you just plug it right in and everything essentially just works. If you're planning on doing any kind of streaming, or if you want to record some kind of video, this little machine is definitely going to do the trick for you guys. I highly recommend you give it a shot. There's really not much to lose these days. If you don't like the product, you can always just return it. I'm thinking a lot of live streamers are really going to love this product, and even possibly YouTubers and Twitch streamers. So if you guys were thinking about doing anything even in that ballpark, this little device is definitely going to work for you guys. All right, that's it. That's the review. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below, and I'm always here for you guys. So don't hesitate to subscribe. If you did like the video, you have really good potential for being a great subscriber, and probably because you're going to like this type of content. So just go ahead, push that subscribe button, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. All right, cheers.